Hello friends and welcome to this video. In this video we will see how we can install Spring Tool Suite in our system. So for that we have to first go to the Spring site. Here as you can see current version is Spring Tools 4. So based on your operating system you can download the Spring Tool Suite from the site. So I am having a Windows operating system, so I will just download this one. So it will download as a executable jar. Let's just wait to finish the downloading. So friends, our jar has been downloaded. Let's go and install it. So this is the executable jar. So we need to have a Java 8 or Java version installed in our system. Then only this executable jar will run. Now we can just click on it. Now you can see it is extracting this jar, and you can see a folder is created. So all the required files for this Spring Tool Suite will be extracted in this folder. Extraction is completed. Let's move inside this folder, and here you can see this is the exe for our Spring Tool Suite. Let's just click on it. So a Spring Tool Suite is downloaded and installed. Let's open it up. So it will ask you to select one workspace. Let's For now let's keep it as a default one and launch it. So our Spring Tool Suite has started, and now we can use it to create our Java or Spring Boot projects. We can just go and click on this create new Spring Starter project and provide all required details and start coding. So this is how we install and set up the Spring Tool Suite on our system. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.